Here we have a cuboid. So I'm going to take my little insert out. Right, we can see then, if we look at the faces of this cuboid, if I split it up or I spread it out, we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Oh, you can't see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces on a cuboid, okay? Now, we're going to be asked here to calculate the total surface area of the cuboid. Now, we need to know these faces. So I've got this one on the top, which I've called the top. And that is here. That's the top there. This is exactly the same as the one on the bottom, which I'll put a B there for bottom. So we've got the top, the bottom. We've got a front here, a front face, which is exactly the same as the one at the back. And then we've got a side here and a side there. So here are our 6 faces: top, bottom, front, back, side, side. If we want to calculate the total surface area, we can work out either the top or the bottom, the front and the back, and the side and the side. So I'm going to start at the top. We know that the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. So if I'm looking at the top face, which is this one here, I need this length, which is 6 centimetres. And I also need this length, which is 4 centimetres, because it's given to me there, look. So the area of the top is 6 times 4, which equals 24 squared centimetres. Now we know the bottom is exactly the same. So the bottom is also 24 squared centimetres. Then I'm going to work out the front. So our front face. Now the front face, I need this length. And I'm going to have to multiply it by this length here. So that's going to be 6 times 5, which is 30 squared centimetres. And we know that the back is exactly the same. So that is 30 squared centimetres. So we've done top, bottom, front, back, and now we've just got the 2 sides. So here's the one side. So let me write this down. Side. So I need this length, 4, and I'm going to multiply it by 5, which gives me 20. Now this side is exactly the same as this side here. So we have another side, which is also 20 squared centimetres. Now to find the total, this just means we add up the 6 sides to find out the total. So I've got one side, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now see if we can add those up. So I'm going to do 24 times 2, which is 48. I'm going to do 30 times 2, which is 60. And 20 times 2, which is 40, and add those together. So 8 add 2 zeros is 8, that's 10, and the 4 is 14. So the total surface area of this cuboid is 148 squared centimetres.